Hi there, today going to learn about how to change the text color of the site menu in Wix. So here I am in my Wix website editor, and here is the horizontal menu. Make sure you're clicking on it. Just double click on it and make sure you see this border right here that says horizontal menu. And then once you're here, we'll click on this icon that says design. And then once we're here, you have different options right here if you want to change the look of your menu. But for now, we will go to customize design. And then from here, you will want to change this menu container. Click on it and then click on menu items. And then from here, we'll click on the text option. And then from here, we have different options. We want to change the font style, you can do it as well. Here, you will need to change the paragraph or the heading of the site menu. And then from here, you can change the font style. And then, to change the text color, we will go right here. And then we have different colors right here. And then if you want to change the text color, you can just click on, for example, green. For example, red. And then now we see the text color change to red. And then, if you want a different color, you can click on the plus icon and then you can choose from different colors right here. And then click on add. And then you can see that the text color changed. There are also other choices right here. So for example, here is the text color, here is the outline color, and for example, we choose an outline color of red, and then we can see the outline of the text here in the site menu has a red outline. And then we can also have the highlight color. So for example, we change this into blue, and then we can see it will have a highlight color of blue. And then that's basically it for the text color of the site menu. You have the text color, you have the outline color, and you have the highlight color. And then when we click on preview, we can see that the text has this color right here that we just did. And going back, let's go back to the editor. Go back to design. Right here. Again, these are the different text colors. You can also have the hover color and the current page color. So for the hover color, for example, we hover on the text, we can change the color of the text when we hover on it. For example, we'll choose green, and then for the outline color, choose white, and then you can change this. So for example, when we hover on it, it should have a different color right here. Since we changed the options in the hover section, all of the choices that we did change the color of the text when we hover on it using the mouse. And then that is how you change the text color of your site menu in Wix. And I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.